Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about impersonal expressions plus the infinitive. So sometimes we want to express the idea that something should or should not be done, but we aren't really specific with who should be doing it or who should not be doing it. So for example, we can say something like, it's good to brush one's teeth. Okay, it's a good thing for everyone to do. I'm not going to specify who specifically. It's just, in general. It's bad to eat too much candy. It's beneficial to study before a test. It's inadvisable to pet a strange dog. So you'll notice that each of these verbs, we've got to brush, to eat, to study, to pet. In English, that's the infinitive form. And in Spanish, they're also going to stay infinitive. And the impersonal expression is this. It's good, it's bad, it's beneficial, it's inadvisable, it's great. Those are just what we call impersonal expressions. And then they're followed by the infinitive. So we're going to see that pattern in Spanish also. So you're going to include the value word. Is it good or bad? So it's good, es bueno. It's bad, es malo. It's difficult, es difícil. It's easy, es fácil. It's impossible, es imposible. It's interesting, es interesante. So bueno, malo, difícil, all of those are what we call impersonal expressions. So once you have the value word, you're simply going to add the infinitive just exactly like you do in English. So it's good to brush one's teeth. Es bueno cepillarse los dientes. It's exactly the same. It's good, es bueno, to brush, cepillarse, one's teeth, los dientes. It's just pretty much a word-for-word translation from English into Spanish. It's difficult to get good grades. Es difícil sacar buenas notas. It's impossible to be perfect. Es imposible ser perfecto. It's necessary to be kind to others. Es necesario ser amable con otros. So you'll see you don't conjugate anything. If you have a value word, bueno, difícil, es posible, es necesario, it's followed directly with the infinitive. You do not conjugate it. Cepillarse, sacar, ser. Okay, they're just the infinitive. So you can change the tense of the conjugated to be verb, ser, just like you can in English. So for example, it was impossible to be perfect. So you could say era imposible ser perfecto. It doesn't always have to be es. It could be era, fue, va a ser, right? Past tense, future tense. The ser could be any form, but it's still, that doesn't change anything else in the sentence. So it was impossible, era imposible. It was good to interview the director. Fue bueno entrevistar al director. So you still have your value word, you still have the infinitive and the rest of your sentence, but you could talk about it was a good thing, it will be a good thing. It's going to be difficult to get a dog. Va a ser difícil conseguir un perro. But it's the to be verb, value word, and then the infinitive. So to sum up, the formula for forming impersonal expressions with an infinitive is as follows. You're going to do the third person singular of ser in whatever verb tense, past, present, future that you want, plus the adjective, or what we've called the value word, plus the infinitive, plus the rest of your sentence. So es bueno entrevistar al director. Fue imposible sacar buenas notas. Era interesante escuchar a la maestra. Va a ser mejor estudiar todo el día. So with these, it's a direct translation from English. It is good to interview the director. Impersonal expressions with the infinitive, and that's how you form it in Spanish.